Hi, this is Flylady Emma. I am here at the Victoria and Albert Museum in London. It's a fabulous museum full of all kinds of amazing treasures from around the world. I am standing by the Great Bed of Ware, which was built in 1590. It is absolutely massive and beautiful too. Apparently it would fit 8 people in it, and I for one am really glad I don't have to make it every day. This month we are focusing on making our bed every day, so as you make your bed in the morning, think about this bed and be grateful you don't have to make it too.